Hello. Within the UK, there is a level of responsibility for those using so-called class 4 lasers, surgical lasers, the kind of lasers that one uses in this so-called avenue of dental laser use. There is an obligation to both register the possession and use of that laser, but also to comply with a series of regulations. Far from being onerous, this is a simple tick box exercise that every professional must be prepared to undergo with regard to owning and using a class 4 laser. Firstly, within the practice itself, the appointment of a suitably certified and trained laser safety officer. This is a member of the staff. It may be the principal, but usually it will be the chairside assistant, who through a simple modular course can become accredited to the level commensurate with a laser safety officer to enable him or her to exercise authority as to the setting up, the use, the setting down, and the various parameters that are employed when using that laser on a daily basis, with a safe use of that laser on patients. Overriding that registration is the appointment of a so-called laser protection advisor. This is someone who will be able to assess the room in which the laser is commonly used, the regulations as they are applied, as to signage, as to the restrictions on those people within that room, and also the safety measures that are to be employed in treating patients safely and without risk. Added to this, the development of local rules, a risk assessment, treatment protocols, and all the necessary documentation to enable that level of compliance to be demonstrated to the CQC in terms of exercising that regulation. It doesn't exist throughout the United Kingdom as such. Within the devolved nations, Wales, Northern Ireland, and Scotland, different authorities may be charged with that governance. However, the overall effect of such governance remains the same within the UK. It is not an acceptable defence to say, I have no interest in regulating this laser. This is an obligation. Delta is proud, as the Dental Laser Training Academy, that we are now fast becoming a so-called one-stop shop for this kind of training in the use of dental lasers, but also in providing these services. Modular course towards laser safety officer accreditation, and also in-house laser protection advisor services that can be availed for a given bespoke individual practice level of cover. We hope that you will engage with us. We hope you will review your portfolio of responsibility as well as documentation surrounding the use of your laser, and we hope that if we can be of help to you, you'll give us a call.